Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to pick the best gig app, Gridwise or Solo. If you're driving for Uber, DoorDash, or Instacart, these apps promise to boost your earnings.
But which one actually helps more? Let's break it down. First up, Gridwise.
There's a truck's mileage, hours, and total earnings across all apps. It shows airport demand, events, traffic, and peak times. Is it free to use? Yes, with the Gridwise Plus upgrade for deeper insights. Wait for task tracking and performance. The Solo app does all of the Plus guarantees your hourly pay. Uses your gig history to build a personal schedule with best times to drive. Tracks taxes, mileage, and income too. The pay guarantee feature is what makes Solo unique. They'll pay the difference if you earn less than their projected rate. So which is better? Want detailed tracking and gig data? Choose Gridwise. Want smart scheduling and earlier income protection? Choose Solo. How about the power drivers? Use both. Gridwise for performance tracking, Solo for guaranteed pay and planning. Hit like if this clear it up. Comment which one you're using or both. And don't forget to subscribe for more gig app tips and real reviews. Drive smart.